Welcome to Guitar Power Up. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Solar Power by Lorde. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for more lessons from this artist and visit guitarpowerup.com for tab downloads. Enjoy! So the verse is made up of 3 chords. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you. So like I mentioned, the verse is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is a B major chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 7th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 9th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 8th fret of the G string. Next is an A major chord. So we're just going to take the B major chord and move it down 2 frets. Next is an E major chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 7th fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 9th fret. And you're going to play these chords while palm muting. I'll play it for you again. It sounds like this. So the chorus uses the same 3 chords as the verse, just ordered differently. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you. So like I mentioned, the chorus uses the same chords as the verse. So we're going to start on the A major chord. Then we're going to go to an E major chord. Then back to the B major. And you're going to be playing this again while palm muting, and I'll play it for one more time. It sounds like this. And that's it for Solar Power. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for more lessons from this artist, and visit guitarpowerup.com for tab downloads. Thanks.